Hello and welcome to the official Cricket Carts YouTube channel. I'm Walker, and today we'll be showing you how to test and replace the 5-volt regulator in all of our Cricket Carts. We're going to start by showing you how to locate the 5-volt regulator in all three models of our Crickets, starting with the ESV. To find the 5-volt regulator, simply locate the piece of wire that ends in red shrink tubing. You can find the 5-volt regulator underneath the shroud of the SX3 here, and after unscrewing the dashboard in the RX5, you can find the 5-volt regulator here. Once you've located the 5-volt regulator in your Cricket Cart model, you'll need to gather these tools. You will need a wire stripper, a multimeter, several pieces of crimp tube or a soldering iron, and some shrink tube or electrical tape. To test your 5-volt regulator, strip out a small piece from each of the wires connected to the 5-volt regulator. Then, with your cart on, use the multimeter to check the voltage running through each of the colored wires. The black is ground, the blue should read 24 volts for the ESV, or 36 for the RX5 and SX3, and 5 volts through the red on all models. After acquiring a new 5-volt regulator, start by stripping the ends of the 3 wires and then applying a piece of crimp tubing to the end of each. Once you remove the bad 5-volt regulator, you can attach the new 5-volt regulator with the crimp tube. Make sure that each color matches. Alternatively, if you do not have access to crimp tubing and you have a soldering iron, you can twist the 2 ends of the wires together and solder them using shrink tubing to seal them up. And with that, the 5-volt regulator should be replaced in your cart. To learn more, or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, visit us at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.